If you've heard people talking about digital products, but you're not exactly sure how they work or how people make money from them, this video is for you. Because honestly, digital products have become one of the most popular ways to generate income online. And one of the biggest reasons is that you don't need physical inventory or have to worry about shipping, storage, or logistics. So in this video, I'll show you how to make money with digital products in 2026 in a realistic way, step by step. First, what is a digital product? A digital product is anything that can be sold and delivered online. Some examples include ebooks, templates, spreadsheets, online courses, graphic design, sprintable files, music, photographs, and resources for content creators. The advantage is that you can create the product once and sell it many times. Now the first step, choose a problem you can help solve, because the most successful digital products usually help people save time, learn something, stay organized, improve a skill, or solve a specific problem. For example, a budgeting template, a professional resume template, or a beginner's guide may have more demand than products that are too general. Now the second step, create the product, and honestly, many beginners think they need something perfect, but that's not always true. The important thing is that it's useful and easy to use. You can create digital products using tools such as Canva, Google Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, or specialized software depending on the product. Now the next step, choose where to sell it, because you need a platform to deliver the product to customers. Some popular options include Etsy, Gumroad, Pay, Hip, Shopify, or your own website. These platforms allow you to manage payments, downloads, and automatic delivery without having to manually send files. Now let's talk about marketing, because creating the product is only part of the process. People first need to discover that it exists. That's why many sellers use TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and blogs to attract visitors. You don't need millions of followers, but you do need content that helps people and builds trust. Now another important tip, look at what's already selling. Not to copy it, but to understand what buyers are looking for. You can analyze popular categories, comments, reviews, and products with lots of sales. This can give you ideas about what is actually in demand. Now let's talk about expectations, because this is where many people get it wrong. Some digital products generate sales quickly, while others take weeks or even months. Important thing is to keep improving, create new products, and learn what works best for your audience. Many people who earn consistent income today started with a single sale and gradually grew over time. Now another major advantage, digital products are scalable, because selling one copy or selling 100 copies usually requires almost the same effort after the product has been created. And that's one of the reasons so many people see them as a great online opportunity. Now, let's be honest, for a second, digital products are not easy money. They require work, research, and patience, but they can become a very interesting source of income if you offer something that genuinely helps people. So to wrap this up, to make money with digital products in 2026, you should choose a problem to solve, create a useful product, publish it on a sales platform, promote it with content, study what the market is looking for, and continuously improve. Because honestly, it's never been easier to create and sell digital products to people all around the world.